Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by installing Covenant Eyes and creating your account. Follow the installer prompts closely. Once done, you'll sign in and pick a protection level, then add billing info if required. Make sure to grant device admin or accessibility permissions so monitoring can run reliably in the background. Also enable automatic updates to keep filters current. This immediate setup gets you from 0 to protected in minutes, and it prevents common installation gaps that stop reporting or filtering from activating. You now configure filters and add members so protection matches real needs. Start by inviting accountability partners or creating local profiles on the same device. Next, set a filter level and toggle safe search, schedule internet access windows, and block apps or categories you need restricted. Once done, enable screen accountability and pick who receives reports and how often. Choose daily or weekly cadence. Make sure to test a member profile, because practical testing reveals misapplied blocks or missing app controls early. You finish by monitoring and maintaining the system, review the accountability reports to spot patterns, and then adjust filters or schedules accordingly. Make sure the app remains updated, and after any operating system upgrade, reauthorize permissions so monitoring continues uninterrupted. If reports or blocking stop, check the device's internet connection first, then reboot and reinstall the app if needed. As a troubleshooting tip, re-grant accessibility or device admin rights. Loss of those permissions is the most common cause of failures.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.